Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. So on this video we are gonna look how we can search for or where we can look for saloons for men on nearby you on Justdial app. So for that, just open the Justdial app, and in the home page we can just see the option wedding planning option right there. Just tap on the wedding planning option, and when we scroll down here we can just see the option saloons for men option. Just tap on it. So here we can just see the saloons for men nearby your location. So if you want to change the location, we can just see the search bar on the top side of that. Just tap on the search bar. After that, we can just see the location option on the top side. Just tap again and then choose which location that you preferred. So in here we can just see the saloons for men nearby that location you preferred. So this is how we're gonna look for saloons on your Justdial app. So I hope this video was useful for you. So just do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.